Hello everyone, welcome to Bharatanatyam YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great, and after a very long gap we are going to continue with Chandramukhi Ra Ra song tutorial today. So this is the part 2 video of the Ra Ra song tutorial. So that is what we are going to check today. So in between the part 1 and part 2 there has been a lot of gap. I think we also came up with some new courses like Srushti. So for those who are not aware of Srushti, Srushti is a free online course for Bharatanatyam for beginners that is going to be coming in YouTube. So already we have done 2-3 episodes of it. So you can check out the playlist Srushti in our YouTube channel for getting access to those videos. Okay. So now after this gap of part 1, right, we are going to continue with the part 2 video. So if you are new to this channel, so just stop the video right here and go and subscribe to our channel, because in our channel we will be posting a lot of beginner friendly such tutorial videos, so that you will keep on being connected with our channel and you can follow many beautiful Bharatanatyam choreographies from me. So moving on to today's video. So today's video is about the tutorial for Ra Ra song, which is a continuation of the previous video. So the previous video also I will provide the link in the description. So for those who are watching this for the first time, you please get back, watch that first and then come here to continue. Okay. And also, since it has been a long gap, I would suggest everyone to watch that once and come back, because you might have forgotten the moments. So just for the continuation, watch that video once and then you can come back and start with this tutorial. So just a brief about part 2. Unlike your part 1, your part 2 is going to be little bit simpler in terms of the number of movements. So we have lesser number of movements in part 2, but each and every movement is having more detailing. Okay, so even if you're already a Bharatanatyam dancer, these movements are quite different for you. Like, you have to learn something new in each of these movements. So that is how it has been choreographed originally. So we will be seeing everything completely step by step in today's video. So are you ready? Hit the like button right now if you're ready. Let's go on to the video. Alright, we will start with the first movement. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you one by one, like your leg movement alone separately and your hand movement alone separately, and then both put together like that, okay, in a very detailed way, so that even absolute beginners can follow it in a easier way. Okay, so what is the first movement? So for the first movement, you have to sit in Aramandi, okay, stretch your right foot pointed, and then transfer your weight, cross it, and one rotation. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see the hand movement alone. So hands, you're going to keep both the hands in Kataka Mukha, open, Alapadma, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the next movement, leg alone as always. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, just lift it and place it back. And the hand movement is 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, both together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's do first two movements together with hands and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. The same thing is going to be repeated on the left side also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let us move on to the second movement. The second movement is going to be of 3 counts. So generally this movement we do in Bharatanatyam for 4 counts minimum, but as I told, all these movements are a little bit different. So even for those who already learned Bharatanatyam, this will be a little bit different. So we are going to do this for 3 counts. Let us see the leg movement first. So you're going to sit in Aramandi first, do 1 jump, 1 stamp and 1 kutta. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the hand movement? So the hand movement is going to be from your Kataka Mukha. Starting from Kataka Mukha, it is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so your 2 should be very quick. 1, 2, 3. So let us do both hands and legs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the next movement is just 2 walks we are going to do. 1, 2. Okay, so it's just a simple walk. If you want to know in detail like how to walk while walking, which leg to bend, how to see, those details if you want, you can check out our walking tutorial from our channel. I'll also put the link in the description box. You can check it out for thorough walking tutorial. But as of now, it is just 2 walks. Okay, so for the hand movement, it is right open, left open. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll combine the previous movement also. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these 2 will come together and the next movement will also be coming together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the leg movement for your 4th movement of the day is 1 jump and 1 press. Okay, jump and press. So your hands will be 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so all these 3 will come together. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are moving on to the last movement of your part 2. So here we will have a little bit of complicated leg movement. So let us see that in detail first. So you start from Aramandi, sit in Aramandi. Okay. So you first have to just put your leg outside freely. Okay. 2, then 3, 4, 5. Okay. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be done only on your right side. Okay. So you have to be balancing on one of your legs. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the hand movements. So just leave your hands freely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us combine both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yes, with this we come to the end of your part 2 tutorial. Part 2 is quite a short one, but a very important bridging part between your part 2 and part 3. We have one more part for this Rara song tutorial, that is the final part. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to post the part 3 tutorial as well. And also you can feel free to ask me if you have any doubts or questions in today's tutorial lessons. So if you want to see this part 2 movements along with the music, then check out the link in the description, which is a practice video for you where I combine all the movements being taught in this tutorial together along with the music so that you can also try. So thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Meet you all in the next video. Bye.